Hey guys, I know you've been asking for tips on how I grow my hair, so I decided to show you guys one of my pre-poo mixes. The first thing that I use is a large aloe vera plant, and you can get this at any type of grocery store. And then I'm going to take that wide part, which is the root of the plant, that white part that you see, and I'm going to cut the root off using this sharp knife. As you can see, the plant has this like slimy, clear looking gel on the inside that's known for several health benefits that I'm going to talk to you guys about a little bit later. Now I'm going to cut the plant into about 4-inch slices, and because there's gel inside the plant, it's super easy to cut. Now I'm going to cut off the spiky sides of the plant, making sure that I don't cut off too much of the plant itself. After cutting off the sides, I'm going to cut the plant in half. This is literally my favorite part. Like, look at all that gooiness, y'all. Like, oh my gosh, it literally looks like mucus. But I could play with that slime stuff all day long. It's so nasty looking. After cutting each piece in half, I had 6 slices of aloe vera. Now I'm going to mix up the oil mixture I add to my hair after applying the aloe vera plant. I used Jamaican Black Castor Oil, the original, extra virgin olive oil, the Publix brand, because y'all know I'm cheap. And y'all already know I did not measure any of those ingredients. I simply just measured them in until my ancestors whispered in my ear and said, you know what, that's enough, girl. Yeah, I really don't know what it is, but I have entirely too much fun playing with this aloe vera plant. Like, it's so crazy to me. I don't know why I have so much fun playing with it. But let's get started, for real. My scalp is super dry and dirty, so it's literally begging me for some TLC. So I've separated my hair into 6 sections, 4 in the back and 2 in the front, and I'm just going to start rubbing the aloe vera plant onto my scalp. I start around the perimeter of that section, making sure that I get my edges. Then I'm going to part my hair and apply the aloe vera very generously. Whenever the plant started to feel a little bit dry, I just smashed it down with my fingers and it brought more of the gel up. See that? Brand new gel. Y'all, this feels so good when you're applying it. The gel is naturally cool tempered, so it feels amazing. It's really soothing. Aloe vera contains enzymes that repair dead skin cells on the scalp. I scratch my head a lot, so I need this. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair super smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching, and reduces dandruff. And y'all already know I'm all for any type of product that aids in the reduction of dandruff. Aloe vera is also super cheap. I got 2 for less than $5 at WholeFoods. You can't beat $5, and y'all know I'm all about saving money. So if you're looking for a way to ease this natural hair lifestyle and make it easier and cheaper, definitely try this pre-poo. Does anyone else's clips get lost in their hair while they're doing it? Like, dang, this always happens to me. After applying the plant to my scalp, I'm going to smoothen down the rest of my hair. Once I squeeze the plant down to get more gel, I'm then going to add the gel to the ends of my hair. Massaging the aloe vera plant in feels so good because the gel is so cool and soothing to your scalp. After massaging the aloe vera plant in, I'm adding the oil mixture to my scalp as well. I'm making sure that I rake the oil mixture through my hair so it can get on every single strand. After applying the oil mixture, I'm spraying a mixture of tap and rose water on my hair. The water in my area is kind of harsh, so I add rose water to my spray bottle to add a little moisture. Plus, I just like the way that rose water smells. Now that I'm finished with that section, I'm going to clip it up and do the other 5 sections. I do this pre-poo mask about once a month, right before I shampoo my hair. I'm always trying to find ways to make this natural hair lifestyle easier and cheaper. Because aloe vera plants are super cheap, I'm all for adding that to my natural hair routine. It didn't take that long to apply this mask either. It really only took about 20 minutes to apply it to my hair. After I apply the mask, I place a plastic cap over my hair and leave the pre-poo on my hair for at least an hour. I actually fell asleep with this mask on my hair, so it was actually left on about 4 hours. You definitely don't have to keep it on for that long though. After an hour or so, wash your hair as normal. Don't forget to deep condition as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you comment below and let me know the ingredients that you actually use in your own pre-poo. And let me know if you decided to try this pre-poo and if it worked for you. My hair was super shiny and had tons and tons of moisture in it after applying this mask. And my scalp was super moisturized. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you guys later. Bye.